Not available. W room. Thanks, brother. Ah.
Oh,
Ace, how was the gym today?
it was ass. We did like 2 exercises and then cut.
No, we did 4,
We did 4 exercises.
if you include abs. Ace doesn't look so good. I think he looks pretty good, if you ask me.
45. Oh, shit.
I think he looks pretty actually good.
5.
Ha ha ha. Hmm.
Oh,
I'm like on a super chill vibe right now, drinking my Celsius.
super vibey.
I'm not gonna lie, after Ace introduced me to No Sugar Monster, this Celsius is kind of disappointing.
Interesting.
You kind of ruined it for me.
Very interesting that you would say such a thing.
Is it? Is that interesting?
Most.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Ace Uptrades is sharing his screen. Ba-na-na-na-na.
John's gonna carry today, guys. I am dead.
Mmm. 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 I'm tired too, but it's okay. We're gonna carry. We're at ADR low. We're holding above monthly anchored right now on NQ. Now, if I were to just look at price action, we got a lot of stuff below, but we are kind of overextended below already. Sorry, I got distracted for a second. What was I saying? It's okay. Let's get a few points in before I go snowboarding. Yanni's, yo, I haven't snowboarded in so long, and I was supposed to go, like a few weeks ago. I got invited by one of my boys, but that's when I was like super sick, so I said no. But I miss snowboarding. Snowboarding is lit.
I'm actually dying. Like genuinely dying.
uh,
I'll be down here today.
how are you on meds?
Huh?
How are you on meds?
All right.
Like, are you on them?
Yes. Actually.
I understand. JJ, you gotta go. I know. I haven't went in so long. It's so funny. The first time I ever went snow. What time is it? Before I start yapping. Oh, okay. We got 6 minutes till open. Hi, darlings. What's up, Lomenko? Lomen, what? The first time I went snowboarding, I was like 8, and then the second time I went snowboarding was like 10 years later, and I went on Black Diamond with one of my boys that like always snowboards, and I almost died. It was actually lit. I was going down this hill and there was like a sharp turn, and it was one of those turns that have like those little orange fences that literally stop nothing. And over the fence was like a massive cliff, and I fell and I was like sliding towards it, and I was like, I'm not dying today. So I just started like digging my hands into the ground and like trying to push my board in and shit, and it was fine. I had a great time, and that was the last time I went snowboarding. It was like, oh, what was that? That was like 8 years ago now. Zeus, hola, hola, senor. I've hurt myself all 3 times, so I think until my kids are learning, I'm not even gonna try. I understand. I'm telling you, Ace is prego. Yo, yeah, what if you're having like, what is it called? Pregnancy sickness.
There's the pop, guys. Beautiful,
Ooh, beautiful.
beautiful move. There's 70.
Beautiful.
Absolutely sexy.
For the premium that got those levels. Cooked. Absolutely cooking. Every time someone tells you "Hola," respond, "Yo, I don't. I have to look that up right now. I don't trust you, like at all." Hmm. What does this mean? What does this mean? Haha, that's pretty funny. Patimicola. Okay, that is not what I read. I think you don't even know what you're talking about, unless the internet is wrong. Mm. Did you guys see Supreme Court might issue rulings on Trump's tariffs today at 10 a.m.? I actually did not see that. What? I feel like Trump is always delayed. He's like, I'm talking at 2, and then he shows up at like 3:30.
Actually, printing.
I am also printing on my other account.
That's PT right there. First PT at 72, by the way, guys. Like
Yep.
23 points.
Yep.
I'm actually
Skis.
gonna sell one here and then move my SL up.
Is Ace okay? Ace is sick. He is on his meds, but he is sick. So it's like counteracting itself. Life like this is like a life like that. That's a life like this. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. A ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. A
So
ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Staying long before market opens? I mean, it depends. I could hit my PT very soon.
uh
I have mine main at 79.50.
for everyone that's in premium, by the way, I have locked in 2 new analysts for you guys. You're welcome.
Haha. Premium is getting more stuff. And there's even more to come. And there's also going to be technically more stuff for everybody once I'm done working on what I'm working on,
I just got tapped
which is pretty fire.
in profit, taking one off for plus 20, and then the next one getting tapped at like plus 10-ish.
Wales said, when do they come? Do we have a specific date yet? Or we're just locked?
What?
There's a dumpy 2 minutes before open.
Wow, nice take, Ace.
Do we know when those analysts are, because Wales asked, like, when are they coming? Do we know yet, or we just got them locked?
I'll probably set them up, I would say, for sure by February.
All right. By February. There you go. You heard it here first.
I gotcha.
You have heard it here
Guys, make sure
first.
to use code PHUB on all props for all the best discounts. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is going to give you a higher chance of actually passing the account. Because if you guys are using code PHUB, it typically means that you're with us and we hit profits. So
Type shit.
that's just kind of what happened. Or Ace 2316-515-8615068843 on Alpha Features. Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you for acknowledging that one. Needed that.
Yeah, we need those 10 sales on that so we can get a real code. Low key, I kind of never want to hit those 10 sales. Just for the memes to have that code. I'm also half joking. One's open. 30 seconds. Go crazy. 30 seconds.
Oh, that's wild. My cousin works in Detroit. He just sent me a snap that they're doing training right now. And literally one of like the slides is active shooters. Like, what is going on? Bro
That
is
sounds
an
crazy.
engineer for a manufacturing company.
And we are open.
That was a good take, guys.
Peoples of the world.
We took that whole range. Could see it again if it reclaimed 740. So from 740 to like that 765-ish level. I want to see if we can tap into that. There we go. Just got in. And then moving my SL to the bottom of that range at 690. 690 at 710. Sorry. 710, 708. It could extend past that previous pre-market at 701. But I'm gonna keep it right at that 708, not risk an extra 10-ish points.
Yup.
Still there at that 40. I'm in at 45. Really bad film.
I am in at 31.75.
Nice.
I got lucky because I was changing my sizing. I'm a little lighter. I'll probably add in on like confirmation back up. But for now,
Wix
I'm chilling.
8.
And if I get tapped, it's a very small loss. Basically in a starter position.
Makes sense. Right here at 716 is one of my levels. So as long as she can hold here and reclaim, I would say like 7. Oh, it might actually come for me right now. Yeah, just came for me. So
Yep.
if we go down to that, there it is, 700. I want to see this reclaim, and that would be a
Mm,
position right there. If not, then I want to be right by
oh, I didn't mark. Hold on.
100. This is our average range low. Here's our POCs. Let's hop into another long right here.
Mm.
I'm gonna catch the knife.
I'm gonna catch the knife.
60,
We do got a lot of support right here.
685.
Monthly POC at like 70. Mm, what fill did you get?
85.
Nope, 84.75.
Oh, you're just
PPI
better
killed
than
this
me right
long
now.
bang. Again, in on a light position. I've been liking doing that lately, entering like super light starter position and giving it room. Like that first loss was
40.
literally $98 on a 150K. You might say, "Oh, if you're going so light, like what's the point?" Because then I'll add in, right? And my average will be better than if I were to just like wait for full confirmation. But I'm not just doing it for that.
705. I'll look for an add-in.
Mm,
I'd like for it to like fully reclaim, but see. Oh, okay, awesome. It just filled me. I was trying to put my bid in. It's all right. There we go, guys. There we go. Nice moves.
oh yeah,
And filled. There's P.
Hori Mori, you went crazy.
Look at that candle.
Yeah, that's an insane candle.
That was
What's it called?
61 points right there, guys. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'm actually fucking dying.
What an actual banger! Holy, off that 680 level, that was kind of cooked. Who hit that? Who hit that? Let me see some testies in the chat. That was Cookerson. Kels, guess I'm done. Adam GW. Thanks for the free lift ticket. Yeah, this guy's snowboarding already. There we go. Wales up a bando. We are still greenery as flip right now. This is kind of cooked. Oh, here we go. Kind of nice. I want to see if we can break that 780 level for continuation to like. I mean, we have to break 800 first, but PT like 820 to 30 right there. Could be pretty fire, pretty fire. Not the data over leverage, definitely not. But at the same time, there is no day where you should over leverage. Cows, Euro, banger, beauty. Absolutely beautiful. Very easy and simple trade. Next PT would be like 800 basically, and then I see like 822. Not bad. Pretty good, pretty good. Not bad at all. Mike up 895 on 2 accounts. Jimothy, not gonna lie, I didn't put an SL in the first long, and I hold. I know it was bad, but I'm glad it worked out. Hey, at least it worked out. Damn, that was 100 points from entry. Isn't that nice? What time is it? I mean, like we finished 2 minutes ago, 100 points in like 2 minutes. Not even. It was like more a minute. Kind of nuts. Welcome to Prophub, where 100 points in 1 minute is not that crazy. It was kind of crazy, but like Camper up 1500. 1500. This candle is sucking down, going for a retest. I'm watching the 2 minute. Want to see, like, realistically, an actual good close would have been above, like, minimum 75, 80 for, like, an actual nice look. Zulu up 221, beauty. Very nice. Euro 280 on 5 accounts. Lemenko up 3,500. Wait, what are you talking about? So I've made money on a failed and illegible account? Oh. It was just to show them. It was just to show off, you know? We did get a full close below monthly anchored again on that suck down on the 2. So that's why we're kind of dumping back down. Could go retest that 700 level. Yo, post in testimonials channel not here. Yeah, for real. Put it in the testies channel. Here, I'll link it to make it very easy. If you look at chat, click that. That says testimonials. It'll take you to the channel and you post it. Yeah, Ace. Actually, don't wash your hands. Live a little, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just gotta live. Sometimes you got to live a little. Yo, who's done for the day, by the way? I'm actually curious in chat. Like, who just took that and that 100 point and is like, all right, GG, I'm done. Euro's done. Camper's done. Who else is done? Nah, paper hands. It's okay. Haven't even traded yet. One trade left. I wish. Defski. All right, so some people caught that and some people didn't. Yeah, not giving this back. Quickest 600 on an eval. Yeah, that was pretty quick. Here's the 700 retest again. 700. 700. Done. Posted in testimonials. Robert done. 1100 on the day. Yeah, let's see these testies. Let me go read through these. Give some shout outs to the legends of the chat. Actually, I'll give it another minute for you guys to post more. Because what is that? There is like only one. Kind of crazy. I want to see if we're going to bounce off the 700 again. Yeah, I got shaken out. Should have stayed in. 760 was my entry before it went down. I understand. Now, we aren't done for the day. You know what I mean? I know there's still people that didn't catch that and that came a little late. So don't worry. Ace is taught to not enter so early in market open, but I'm seeing Ace enter pretty often right as market opens and he catches such huge moves. Why is that, JJ? He talked about this before. Um it's more of like an advanced thing to do for majority of people because market open causes so much volatility. Usually it's recommended unless like you're actually very consistent and more advanced to not enter on that volatility because what most people will do is not have a loose SL and also not be able to choose the right direction. Um, it's a lot harder to manage a trade that's that volatile, which is why most people wait to not enter on market open. But he actually does it a lot. Only if you see like if there's something actually there. You know what I mean?
Guys. First things first, I want you guys to look at my chart. Um, look at my chart. Okay. We went from our entry, right? Which I literally said I feel like we're gonna bottom tick this bitch. Literally goes down to that 680 level. I get filled right around 685. Fine. And then from there, we get that beautiful extension past our opening print. That goes straight to our monthly anchored, right? Premium. You guys know that was literally one of your first classes. From there, I wanted to see it positioned above 750, 725, which it well surpasses that on the next candle and goes straight to that level of 777, where we have this range drawn out. As you guys can see here, right? And then she rejects off of that after retesting, and then literally back to the same level, monthly anchored, and then all the way back down to our entry level. All I'm trying to show is that as long as you guys are consistent with what you guys are trying to identify with your chart, you're going to see price react to it pretty nicely. Again, all things considered, if you are consistent at your draws. So making sure that you have your levels in check, prior to the fact. So this is why we do our futures breakdown before market open. So here, I'll even show you guys right here. And I want you guys to see that PT as well, right? A nice hold above 750. Then we're looking at 780. Literally, we're targeted for 100 points. But for the shorts, I was looking for 660, which is right there. So as long as she can hold 660, that will kind of be the move. I wrote 660 to start. It was meant to say 2570, 25750. That's what this was supposed to say. So it was a bi-directional trade, depending on where it held up. First trade for a loser, which was fine. It was what? Let me go on chart execution. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100.
Keep it 100, 100, 100,
Keep it
100,
100,
100,
100,
100 a
100.
stack. Oi, keep it 100 in that.
Yeah, 756 all the way down to 708. So 40-point loss. And then made it all back with that 100-point pop. But I was sized in double. So I got that re-entry at that 700 reclaim, like I told you guys. And then from there, we only needed a bit more off of two minis to make 1800 or 2K technically. So pretty nice.
Very nice. Very nice
Oh,
and sexy.
man,
Oh
there's
god,
102 people in here. People are coming in late. We're not even 15 minutes into the open and we finished in 3. Guys, I have no words for you.
for real.
It's either you're here on time. Hey, Euro, say the line. If you're not here early,
You're here late.
that's not the expression.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know.
To be early is to be on time. To be on time is to be late.
100%, 100%, 100%, 100%,
Yeah, Euro taught me that.
100%. But we are still here. So for the people that missed out, we will still be looking at the chart. But yeah, that's why you show up on. That's why we start stream early. Also,
There's a target at 640. Noise.
this is like
So,
a
like I
like
said,
that.
entry was right around that 60 to 70 point for shorts. Went straight to that PT at 640 and already stalling here. Candle closed. Again, make the levels make sense. It doesn't have to be. This is what a lot of people do, especially when they start. They'll have their draws, right? They're trying to learn support and resistance. They're like, oh, wait, candle closed here, candle closed here, candle closed here. And this is what their charts will look like. And obviously, the candle's gonna lay somewhere close to it. Like, look, I just spammed it. This one closed here. This one closed here. Oh, level to level. My system is unmatched. Like, shut the hell up. Make it as simple as possible. Identify what are your most crucial levels and what's going to dictate entries, exits, trims, so on and so forth. As long as you guys can make that make sense, then you're Gucci. I promise you.
Oh yeah, I'm choosing the comment of the day today for that post.
Nah, it goes like to be early is to be on time. To be on time is to be late. And to be late is unacceptable. If you're late, don't even show up. I'm just
No, I
joking.
was gonna say, what if you just don't show up? What is that?
Thank you for being here, even though you're not feeling well. Of course, Toasty.
WAs,
To be
WAs.
honest, I was feeling fine this morning. Like, yeah, I was sneezy, coughing, but like at the gym,
Yeah,
you know what? No. On the drive to the gym, I literally was so heavy eyed.
really.
Yeah.
I could tell though at the gym you looked cooked.
Yeah. I was so donezo. Like, we were doing a hack squat with one plate on each side, and that's it. Oh, oh man.
My boss used to lock his door if I was late. It's kind of cooked. That is kind of cooked.
Mm, 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 mm. Did you guys like that reel from yesterday? I thought it was pretty funny. Someone actually messaged me who is gay, and they're like, "Wait, it's me," and I thought that was hilarious. I'm like, love the energy, good vibes. Like you can't be offended off of those things. It's funny. You know what I
CS
mean?
passed. You just passed an account. Is that what just happened?
Eric just said that Google put is at
Nice.
480 now. Yeah, I know.
Beautiful.
I've seen it. It dropped past and filled in that gap, which is what I was hoping for yesterday. But it went for a full reclaim for a double top before coming back down. I was fine with it. I think it was a good take. And we didn't have the overnight risk attached to it. Plus, like, who knows if it would have had extended that low, that we were going to get the indices coming all the way down.
Two things. One, not available said, all the zero sugar monster from all those years are coming after Ace. Probably true. Number two, Mello said, "What's up, boys? I'm late, but I'm here." Chat, why don't you let Mello know in chat what happened within the first minute of market open
Made
or 2
1.5K
minutes?
with you guys yesterday and 1.5K today.
Beauty.
W.
Get some W's in the chat.
Guys, please post in testimonials. Stop posting in here. I know we're talking in here, but I need you guys to post in testimonials. You guys will get an entry for a giveaway.
Oh yeah, we're doing that. W's in the chat. What's the best non-sugar flavor, monster flavor, Ace? That's a good question. I actually want you to tell me so that I know. That blue one was fire. I can't lie.
To be honest, I really like that one. It kind of just depends on like your flavor profile. Um, my favorites are that blue one. There's also like the full tropical one, so it's like a blue and yellow. That's pretty good. I think it's like mango. I don't know. And then the white and the original blue are just the OG classic bangers. But to be honest, almost all of the zero sugars are good. They do have like original flavor zero sugar. Don't get that one. Still tastes like gasoline. Like I don't mind them, but meh. Sugar-free Red Bull plus vodka, Top Golf, good times. That's what me and Jill used to drink all the time whenever we would go out together. Bangs plus Zins plus Adderall. That's hilarious. I love that, Iggy.
Ooh,
This
HS
morning, you
along.
legit caught the falling knife and exited as it reversed. Price even broke through some levels on your chart, but you didn't long at that time. Why'd you enter and exit where you did if you don't mind explaining? Or will this be a question for the breakdown? We'll do that for a breakdown.
Yeah, it's definitely a premium sauce question. JJ, you done? You in a trade? No, I'm not done. I'm about to hit the nay.
I get deep red times, but you guys
Glute
helped
spread.
me get back to barely break even. Nice, Zeus. At least you're climbing back up.
You know, a lot of people actually do that. They'll like always trade pre-market before and then take L's and then hop on the stream and then just like end off break even.
Hmm.
It's like
Needless to say, screw you, Top Step. I'm taking your money today. W cows.
nice.
1500 on eval. Let's go. Mason, it's your first day in the stream too. That's hilarious.
Now about the chart real quick. The bottom of my zone is 637.50. And we did reclaim and are holding it after this retest. But we do have monthly POC above and uh, what is that? Previous week POC at like 680.
I am going
We're gonna need to
to
push a little higher to make a full reclaim.
I'm gonna drop my realized guys. Actually, let me take the screenshot first.
Let's check the testimonials. Who wants to win that free account?
Me, me,
Ooh, we got
me.
Kels with 765. We got Eric with 61 on 6 accounts. We got CS with 1500. We got Zulu with 221. Camper with 1500. Phantom with 294. Euro with 280 on 5 accounts. We got Bulu or Bolux with 288. We got Mamba hitting a dance and with 553 for Mamba as well. Beautiful.
There you go. Done. Locking
Mm-mm-mm.
out. I just fixed my consistency, guys, by playing the spread.
Retesting again.
And there we go. Locked out.
Are we gonna let go of that 50? Ooh, let me check the comments on the post actually. I'm curious. Let's see if anything was actually funny.
What time is breakdown? Man, we'll see what time we end here.
For real, for real, for real.
Yeah. It also is always recorded. You know that, H.
Hmm.
Oh, guys, I am feeling like death today. Absolute deathicals.
Mm.
You could seriously wrap it up. Hey, yo, why are we wrapping up, Kels?
Yo, is it bad that I'm going through these comments and the first and only thing that made me laugh so far is "You've got to be kidding me."
No one had like really good comment. You're green. Mission
Ah,
accomplished. Big facts.
oh
I mean,
man.
I'm locked out.
Oh, closed below again.
Yeah, for most people who are like really, really green, you guys could just lock out here and call it. Um, or wait for your absolute A plus 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 setup. But again, nothing stops you from taking the trade tomorrow. I was watching a video today and I'm like, you know what? I kind of want to recreate this in an ace style. I know I'm like leaning, I'm like halfway through the screen. I need to chill. Okay. But there was a video that basically was saying that the issue with today's futures traders, and again, I brought this up multiple times, but it's the fact that everyone's just trying to rush the process, right? You guys are trying to pass and go through your evals like it's nothing. It's only $50. It's only $100. So it's okay if I fail. I'll just get a new one and pass it super quick. Gonna pass it in 2 days, and then next thing you know, again, you carry over those bad habits, and you're doing the same thing in the funded process, right? The main issue with all of this is the fact. Where am I going with this? Ace core. Burn.
I
No,
actually don't know how to figure
the
that.
the issue with this is the fact that none of you guys have a long-term process. You guys are
Mm.
so quick to be a part of quick money mentality, right? Like, oh, look how much Ace makes. I can make $1,000 a day. I can make $3,000 a day. Go through the process, man. Go through the days where you only make 100. Go through the days where you only make 200. Some days you're only going to make 60, 30, break even, take a little bit of a loss, 150. But you guys are losing thousands at a time. And yes, it's a prop firm, but that's what's skewing your whole mentality. It has to make sense. This is why I love the fact that I went through forex and small caps
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
is because I can literally show you here. You know what? Full transparency. I'm going to show you screenshots on my Snapchat from like 6 years ago. And it was me still being okay with accepting like $20, $40, $50. Oh, that's a 15K. I'm just a banger like that. I'm going there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Patience.
Yeah, H talking about $200 a day. Where's that where's that pic? We have a pic. Do you have it? Production? Where did we send it? There's like a picture that puts it all in perspective. Probably just find it if I type it. Hold on.
Okay, so this snap is from 2020. Okay. And I had made 372, 20, $3, 116, 15, and then I lost 20 on another position. And I'm showing it live. There's my quest trade. And you guys can see me even execute the order as well. Okay. Go through the process, man. You guys are too quick to gain and lose money. And like I said, I was telling John this the other day. Or maybe I said it on stream. I don't know anymore. My head's all mumble jumbled with not feeling well. But it's not. Oh, I was saying it in premium.
Oh yeah.
You guys are not. You guys always say like, "Yo, I'm emotionless now. I've been doing this forever." You know what? It's been like a year in since I've been trading. It's been 2 years. I'm now emotionless. I'm now emotionless. But you're super hyped whenever you take the W, and then you're pissed off, but you're not willing to say that you're pissed off whenever you take the L. The issue is the fact that you didn't become emotionless. It's because you became complacent with being a loser. You've accepted the fact that you typically lose. Therefore, what do you do when you lose an account? Yo, it's fine. I'm emotionless. It's because you've accepted the fact that you're a loser and you're going to continue to lose. Therefore, it's just a constant cycle. You guys are consistently and disciplined at being a loser. That's sad. Make the change. It's 2026. We're 14 days in. All you have to do is do the opposite of insanity. Don't do the same things day in and day out that made you that loser. Who did that?
Oh,
Shut up.
shut up. Yeah, you cooked on your little rant.
Just
You
stop
cooked.
being complacent, guys. Like, you guys are so happy with accepting the fact that this is going to be a norm for you. And then next thing you know, you guys can't pay your bills. You guys are struggling, all that kind of stuff. It needs to make sense. You guys want to become full-time day traders, but then you guys are still looking for $5,000 days. Please. Like, really? But yet you're still going to go to your 9 to 5 and justify making $30 an hour? Makes no sense. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was just talking about that with someone. Who was it?
I'm willing to accept
It was H.
$30 an hour, but the fact that I made $30 in 2 seconds trading isn't okay.
Yeah,
Shut the hell
H
up.
is saying $200 is 25 an hour for 8 hours.
Shut the hell up. Oh, but I'm emotionless. Get out of here. I'm pissed now. I made 2K in 3 minutes. That's what you guys are trying to replicate every single day? Stop being goofy. You're not me. I'm not even me. That was just a very good trade.
I am not me. I am you. You are you. He is me, and I am you.
It feels different when it hits your bank account. Shit becomes real. Literally, Kels. And I said that during our classes nonstop. It's not real until it touches your bank account. And as soon as it touches your bank account, you guys know that feeling.
Yo, 65 to 70, by the way. I'm gonna buy
Rush Hour 3 reference.
if we even get
That
down
is
there.
very true. You are you. I am me.
Who are you? I am you.
Dun, 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 dun.
You are you, and I am me. But who is who, and who is we? Yo, by the way, you know what? Let me send it again. Actually, no, I'm not gonna send it again. Look at the. I'm just gonna forward it. Hold on, I'm tweaking. Everybody in chat right now, if you wanna win a free account, because I need more, because none of them actually made me like laugh pretty hard. Go to the giveaway channel. There's a post that we posted on Instagram, and the funniest comment wins an account. I'm probably still gonna do it today, but I don't know. So far, there hasn't been anything that popped out to me, other than you have got to be skidding me. You have got to be what?
You guys heard me on that breakout of that 660 as well. That went down all the way to 610, came back to that 660, and then now it's flushing again. Levels.
Life like this is like a life like that. That's a life like this. That's a life like that. Oh yeah.
That's a night light. Oh, okay.
All right. Mm, mm, mm,
A
mm,
night
mm,
like this
mm,
is like a night like that, and like this, and like
mm.
that,
Oh,
looking like a
that
night
was
light.
quick. That did not want to hold. And that is why you wait. Did something come out? Or was that just like
I don't
a
know, but
decision
I'm
of like a
about
60
to
points?
put out some options.
I understand.
I'm
I
about to
understand. I
put out
understand.
an option.
News? Oh yeah. Wait, there was no 10 a.m. news today. Am I tripping?
Euro just told you about the news,
Oh yeah. What was it? I forget.
brother.
Oh, tariffs. Yeah, I remember. All right. I understand.
Turfs.
I got pervs. Turfs. Life like this. We're all just ADHDers chit-chatting. Pretty much.
Okay, just put out option alert for you premium folks that have
Mm,
been waiting for
mm,
it.
mm,
A
mm,
lot of these
mm.
levels are getting tapped, especially since we're seeing a lot more moves as of late.
I just want
We
to check this news list. Remember, guys, If you're gonna buy any props, might as well use code PHUB. Get the best discount ever. Support us so that we can stay free. Do more giveaways. You know, do more stuff for everybody. Code PHUB. PHUB. It's always the best discount. There's no other words or letters you can put in there that will give you a higher discount, and that's on every prop that we're with. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah.
Wow.
Mm, home
Oh,
sales. Home sales. Is Trump talking right now?
what beautiful. What a
For real.
beautiful.
For real. For real.
Watch this. You guys ready for this? All you premium folks. You guys see that? You guys like that? You guys like that? Yes or no? You guys like that right there?
I don't even know where I'm looking.
Or what? I'm showing them my chart, bros.
Oh, all right.
I feel like they don't like that.
What's the result on that 10 a.m.? I don't know. I was looking. I couldn't find anything. I did not see no news liases.
Could just be our 30-minute prep.
What's CS doing? Same thing. Dope. I was gonna do something and then I forgot. And it had to do with chat. Indicator preview? Oh, is that what's going on right now? Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
It's an indicator preview, but like I taught people how to do it manually. Like it's not that hard. Absolute bangers. Went straight to the CD. Man,
Yeah, it's kind of you know what I'm saying? Do you
I
understand?
don't know what you're saying.
Do you understand though?
Eric, that Google's at almost at 6. There it is. Just tap 6 on fills.
Do you understand though, or no?
I'm watching it on my TOS. Noise. Are you still in? No. Yeah. I mean, when I'm up 53%, I'm not going to let that retrace all the way back down and then tap my SL. No, thank you. I was very happy with those gains.
Every time you shake that bag, a part of me wants the big back.
Big back, big back,
Big back, big back.
You're looking at me, I'm looking at you. You look like a big back, big. Oh.
Yeah, I saw the home sales. But I don't know.
Well, what accent was that, sir?
What? Huh?
When you said, I don't know.
Whoa, first of all, didn't say it like that. That was kind of racist, by the way. Like what?
Definitely not. I think that was all
It's like
you.
kinda racist, by the way. I'm
Not
just saying.
even. Not
Just saying.
even.
This has potential to push up with lungs from here, but with this news, Lias, I don't know. I don't see anything even about it yet. Am I twipping?
Jill says that fucking all the time.
Really?
I must be twipping.
I must be twipping.
Do you think I might be twipping? He seems fine today. Sounds like he took his meds. No, I'm cooked.
Big back, big back.
It's because
Big
I'm sick,
back.
Rex.
No, close above 7250. Would look pretty nice. He seems fine today. Sounds like he took his meds. Oh, did you just read that? Oh, sorry. I was singing the Big Back national anthem.
That's fucking crazy, brother. Guys, John is so good at that. We'll say something, and then like 5 minutes later, he's like, "Guys, I have an idea." And because he heard it subconsciously, he just says it like it's his own idea. And me, Rams, look at each other like, "Is this guy fucking joking us right now?"
Yeah, you know what? Actually, here, if you really, that's a good close. If you think about it, right, that's actually a good thing because if my subconscious thought it sucked, I wouldn't say it. you know, but because subconsciously I'm like, that's a banger, it
Yeah,
basically
but I've never said a
reconfirms
bad
it's
idea in my life.
literally not true.
I've only brought bangers.
All right. You hear this guy? You hear this guy right now? It's kind of cooked. Come on now. Let's be serious for a second.
And like me, you know what's crazy? Me and Rams tested him too. You know what I mean? So it's like we were talking and we're like, yo, let's say something absolutely sus and see if John brings it up to see if his subconscious is listening. And so we were like, you want to smash your own brother. You want to smash your own brother. And then you know what he said to us? He's like, bros, I think I might go smash my own brother.
Okay, like you're an idiot. That's fucking insane.
That's literally what me and Rams were saying. We're like, yo, that's wild works.
No, yeah, 100% for sure.
It's not gay if
If it's
for
not
real.
your account.
They don't know what that
We
means.
should we should I don't know if we should post that
We
video actually.
can't. We can't even say anything.
Uh,
That
Phantom,
just
you're
has to
banned.
stay between us.
Banned. Absolutely banned. Oh, didn't want to hold.
Oh, I might actually
Banned.
tap SL. Tap SL. I might actually tap SL.
Bro, I'm hungry. I should have got a farmer's wrap.
Oh my gosh, you're big back. Bro, we're going on a trip.
Yeah, I need cows. I'm not just gonna be starving. What do you think they did, man? Shit. Big back, big back. Where are y'all going? Is that even should we even say anything? I think we shouldn't, low key. I think we don't say anything until like the week before. You know what I mean? He's not paying attention.
I'm typing for
No, I get
premium.
it. No, I get it. Yeah, continue.
Do you even get it though?
No,
I feel like you just
no,
say you get it, but you actually never get it.
yeah, I get it. I know, 100%. Keep going. You know, I'll just be here. Don't worry about it. There's the reclaim. Don't worry about it. It's all good. I work for the FBI. I'll find out. No, I understand. 100%. For sure.
Shut up. What am I listening to? This guy be yapping.
JK, I'm not a Fed. That's what every Fed says. You Fed? Phantom? How do I do this? No shot I can't do that. Oh, I can.
I'm gonna add it into my trade.
Just go back to singing the Big Back anthem. Big back, big back, big back, big back. You know that I'm not supposed to have too many calories, but I would like to order a Big Mac with extra cheese. Big back, big back. Can I learn how to trade like Ace and Premium and learn about levels and stuff? Ace, would you okay, so Premium basically, there's like multiple dope things about it. Number one is I don't think there's a community on earth that gives as much sauce and like value as we do, especially for that cheap ass price. That's number one. Number two, one of the dopest things that happens is at the end of every stream, we do daily breakdown, which is basically going through every single trade taken, whether it was a win or a loss, and giving the breakdown of why that trade was taken, confluences used, levels, etc., etc. Also go through the pre-market analysis of why those levels were being looked at, and that's dope. They're also recorded and uploaded to the WAP for premium, so you can go back. Literally, since we started, you can go back to like 3 weeks ago and look at a Tuesday and look at that day and like why everything was taken. And then on top of that, weekly coaching sessions, which is also recorded, and that goes like deeper into specific confluences. Like one of them was VWAP, one of them was just levels in general. Another one was fib extensions we actually did recently, and combination indicators, which is combination, which is mixing confluences. And this week's class, we also actually have a guest, which is dope. And that's just like the two main things in premium. and there's more coming. Like, obviously, there's alerts and stuff, and we have 2 new analysts that are gonna be, pulling up. I'm really interested in learning the sauce and learning about the levels and the strat. Is that included? Ace, do you wanna take over? I feel like I'm out of breath.
No, you got this.
Alright, I got this. Um, actually, how about this? People who are in premium, answer the question in chat. Have you learned, and are you starting to see what Ace is seeing? I'm leaving it up to you, and tell the truth. Come on, premium. Like, let me see camper. Holy
Oh my
brother,
Ripski candle.
that was crazy.
My option trade almost hit SL
That
because
was
of
crazy.
that singular candle.
Brother, my brother, that was a candle. That was a candle right there, wasn't it? Chat.
I'm new here. That's why I ask.
No, I understand. It's good that you're asking.
Yeah. Like a lot
Yep.
of the times you guys are probably like, yo, this guy's too much of a jokester and all of that. But a lot of that's for entertainment, right? Like, yeah, that's also our personality. But when it comes down to it, the job is the job, and we always take that serious. So like
Mhm.
you'll notice that in premium, it's a different like we are 100% serious whenever we're doing the classes and all of that. I just got tapped.
Mhm. Wow, what a beauty from that low. Yes and no, didn't go through the last Michael, you didn't go through the last 2 classes? Bro, we put multiple messages specifically for those classes because they were such a heater. If we get a reclaim of, like, 650, that'd be pretty hot.
Looking for long?
Yeah, I did say
Wow.
the 72 was it 72? Yeah, the 72 reclaim. Beauty. Closing partials here, you guys are fire. You're fire. Did we just take a trade when I went to get coffee? Boom. Haha. Bro, I need to go to the washroom. I'm waiting for this to see.
I'm catching this pop.
What's your entry? Big back?
0.8.
Oh, what?
This guy
Are you
forgot that
on
cues exist.
options?
This guy forgot that cues
Hmm.
exist.
Hmm.
Still a good entry too. That's the part.
I understand. I'm in a long, and I'm gonna go to the washroom. I'm gonna set my SL at
We need to reclaim 70
ah, I agree.
on NQ.
I agree. I agree. This is gonna be a deeper SL. I'm in super light, and then I'm actually gonna add limits. Hold on. This is like too much going on Trade of It. Uh, so. Oh, but it doesn't auto update. I get filled, my SL won't change. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Okay, put that right there. Hold on. I'll explain in a second what's going on. Put extra limits at 75 on a break. And then I want to see. Yo, honestly, we could literally go all the way back to anchored at like 740. High Kizzle.
Just want to see how price reacts right here. So
Mm-hmm,
that's that
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
first PT.
I like 700
There we
as a
go.
level.
You know what's so funny?
I
I
like
literally told premium
722.
price is still beautiful right here. And then next thing you know, massive pop.
724 I like. And then like 734. And then 745. One, two,
Oh,
three.
what are you yapping about, brother?
PTs. Do you understand?
No.
Oh, I don't understand either.
Talk them through it.
I don't. Hold on, because I gotta take a piss. I'm just setting them up, and then I'll talk through it. All
No,
right.
but I want to
Very.
know now.
Oh, okay. I'll know now. Very simple. I'm in longs. My SL is 21, 621. And I'm targeting 700, 720, 730, and then I'm gonna leave a runner to see if we reclaim
Not
anchored
available. He
and
is.
push higher. I'm gonna go take a
He's
piss.
half.
Who? When did that question come up? I'm neither, by the way. What time are the classes on Sunday? Usually 8:30 Eastern. Oh yeah, there you go, Vinny. What's up, brother? All right, I'll be back. Big
You know what's
bag, big
funny? I'm like, what class? I'm not teaching this Sunday. Forgot that we had a guest.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what that pop was for. Tariff rule extended again. You know what it is, black and yellow. Here, you know what? Let's talk to some of you guys. And even if you're a futures trader, then you guys can understand this from a trading perspective. We had a nice overnight gap on Tesla that's going through right here. So first PTs from that previous week, value area high here at 444. So that could be target right there. I had just entered, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little. Um, and then I took this short underneath this monthly anchored. Was hoping for a little bit more of an extension to that ADR low, but she bounced off of this massive order block that was created. So reversed and taking the long from here. And then on Qs, same exact thing that you guys are essentially watching on futures, right? But the main thing that I want to see is a full reclaim of this level right here, right? So that bottom base candle of 620.67, which as soon as she did pop above it, that's why I said it's still good, even though we're extended. Um, but this thing could go for that full open print, or at least our monthly anchor to our previous month POC, which are going to both be absolutely crucial levels. So let's go back to our NQ and just watch how that behaves. I know we never really talk options on here, but it's nice to just throw it in from a charting perspective, even if you are just futures traders. Bring Amar over. I'd love to, but I believe he's still under contract over there. I just activated 5 funded accounts. Should I full port it and blow it? You know how you
What's going
do.
on? Oh, I'm still green here for this
Yep.
long.
Qs with that beautiful pop, like I was saying.
Yeah.
Where's QQQ? There we go.
Oh wait, I
Right?
have a
As
full
long as
port
we
here.
can hold that 620.67, I'm happy. But now we have our opening print close, right? This is on a 2 minute. But that goes to 620.92. So I want to see a full close of 621 on Q. So same thing that applies on NQ. I want to see this close above that 700 and then reclaim 710 for our current view up, our session view
Yes,
up.
sir, skis. Bare minimum, I want to see a close above 75. Realistically, like 82 would be good. Oh yeah, I was looking at my GIF. Bro, I'm like all over the place today.
Would you state futures is easier than options from a risk perspective?
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
Which one can you make significantly more money on?
Options,
Options.
which makes sense, you know? More risk, more reward. Big back, big back, big back,
I
big
mean,
back.
I'm thinking longer term more than anything else. Yep. It's still futures.
Testing our daily WAP. WAP, WAP, WAP.
Speaking of futures, if you guys were to buy any props, make sure to use code PHUB at checkout. Code PHUB guaranteed to get you payout as long as you follow your rules. Thank you.
Who is this guy? Yo,
Who is this
honestly, it sounds
production
like
radio
every
voice?
time production comes on, it just sounds like we're using a soundboard because our mouths aren't moving.
The voice of the hub.
Bruh.
Hub voice. Big back, big back. Actually annoyed we didn't close above 74.50. It was like the minimum that I was looking at, and we literally closed at 74.25 to the quarter. To the quarter. But that is a retest, valid retest. Big back, big back, big back, big back.
Ace, congrats on the baby. I appreciate it.
Ooh, let me check, brother. Let me check the comments. Was there any added, or should I just choose a winner for this giveaway for the post?
Ace, congrats on being my baby. Thanks, Finn.
Can
I
I sort
love
by
you.
newest? Here we go.
Vin, do you know what the guest speaker is going to be teaching that day?
Who's Mr. FX Trades official? He said, "Wow, wow, wow, great success. You'll never get this."
You would laugh at that.
Yeah, of course. King of the
Oh,
castle.
he's-
King of
that's
the
me.
castle.
Welcome in, Mr. FX Trades. How you doing today?
Oh, that's me. There you go. That's a good one. I like that one. So far, I like that one.
Why is my VWAP lower for my chart to actually hit VWAP? That's where this resistance was. Do you have extended on?
Who's Kyle? I actually like. I don't know. You've got to be kidding me. Is like too good.
Is this what you're looking at?
Two people sent the same GIF. My GIF with the monkey goated. Can't lie. I don't know yet. I have to think about it more.
Vinny just
Oh,
said,
that's
who's
Zulu?
the guest speaker?
Fire. I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe the person who pinged
I don't
and said that there was an extra class.
I don't know. Who's it gonna be?
This guy said, I forgot. I like that. Somebody is prepared. There we
Alright,
go.
boom, exposed. Yeah, the guest speaker is Vinny, which for all the people that are new that don't know Vinny, he's pretty legendary. The people that were here like early in Prophub's conception know the story of Vinny passing his account and getting a payout with 1 micro per day, which is pretty crazy. Literally a micro a day, and he passed the account and got a payout.
People
Pretty
wish
nice.
they had that kind of mindset where they're okay with accepting like $20, $30 at a time.
Yeah,
Vinny's a beast for that.
and that just shows you do not need to over leverage at all. W Vin. Oh, 100%. We did not get that close again.
You know, still inside that range.
75-25 again. While we're just waiting, I have a fun game. Let's play hot takes. Do you have a hot take that we can argue on?
I said one yesterday. The Office sucks.
Oh, the show? Well, I agree with that, so there's no argument there.
Crazy. I love that show. You would
Okay,
have the type.
Is season 1 good? Because Rams was telling me you have to get through season 1 and then it becomes good. And I tried watching it and I did not get through season 1 and I was like, this show sucks.
It's
Do
all
I
ass.
have to watch season 1 or can I just start season 2?
It's all ass, I bet.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. If season 2 episode 1 is not good, I will like never try again.
Guarantee you it's all ass. I've watched like a few episodes.
All right, chat. Give me your hot takes and let's see if we're gonna fight. The whole show's.
I have a hot take.
All right, let me hear it.
Actually, it's not even a hot take. It's an absolute fact. No, I was gonna shit on people. I'm not gonna. Let's be nice today.
I understand.
I'm gonna be nice. Never mind.
Come on, chat. No hot takes. I know Vinny has some hot takes for sure. I can just see it.
Pretty extreme take for one of the most. He's really on. He's really upset that
He really loves
people
The Office.
really just who think that they're funny are not humorous and like the show The Office. It's crazy. I'm just rage baiting Vinny. He's gonna have to go for a walk again. You guys want to know something about Vinny that absolutely kills me? So Vinny's very like in tune. Yeah. Like right now, walk. He's very in tune with his emotions, so he knows when he's like getting like overstimulated or like rage baited. So sometimes he'll like leave the Discord altogether or go for a walk. He'll like leave the call.
But the amount of times that Vinny went for a walk while we were playing Scribble was actually hilarious.
Like a simple game like Scribble, guys. All we have to do is draw. He's like, I can't fucking do this right now. I'm going for a walk. And he legit leaves the game and goes for a walk. And then he'll call us like halfway through his walk. He's like, okay, I'm okay now. Like this guy took his anger management classes seriously. Like when they say like, hey, you should walk away from the situation. This guy literally does that.
He's
It's so over. It's so
he's
overstimulated.
with people.
It just Ace and JJ are leaving out the fact that they just bully the shit out of you when you play Scribble, bro. And Ace is like JJ is like a professional drawer on like Microsoft Paint. So it just makes you feel terrible. He's like, I don't even know what that is. You're such an idiot. Like, and it just kills me, dude.
Nah, yo, there was a couple of times you drew something and like you have to admit they were crazy. Like I
Bro.
don't remember what it was. I swear you drew a tree and it looked nothing like a tree. It was something insane.
All right, you're hurting my feelings.
But also, don't you do it on your phone?
No. I do it on my computer. I'm using mouse and keyboard.
Oh, I understand. That's
Yeah,
okay.
no, there's definitely been a few times where I had to get up and leave. The worst one of the times I was on like Top Step TV and I was reading some comments and somebody said some crazy stuff about me, and I was like, "Oh no, dude!" I was like reading
Oh no,
through
I'm
it. I
about
was
to go
like,
on a walk.
"Yeah, dude, I can't leave." I just had to sit there. Like I was like, "Oh no."
Have a good one. Got to get back to the 9 to 5. Hit all your PDPTs, boys. Later, FX trades. Later.
Bro, so I got a hot take for like Americans.
Okay, what's your hot take?
Well, I mean, I guess it's anybody, but like NFL football sucks. A lot of people want to die for NFL
I
football.
thought you love football.
No, I like
No, you're more
college football.
right? Yeah.
NFL
I feel
football
like
is
it's not even that hot of a
horrendous.
take.
Oh,
honestly, it's
nice
not.
drop keys. Holy smokes.
Hockey sucks? That's a terrible take.
That is not a good take.
That is like not even a good take at all. Hockey's like low-key one of the most entertaining sports to watch. Hockey and soccer blows. Well, maybe if you spelled soccer right, I would answer. You know what I mean? Like just maybe. Only because fights? Yeah, the fights are lit. It's like you're watching UFC and hockey at the same time. Cricket is better than baseball? I need to see better takes than these. There's a rejection and a retest.
I feel like throwing up.
Big back. Golf is amazing. That's a fantastic take. Golf is amazing. You know who's actually nasty at golf? Vinny.
Vinny thinks he is.
No, Vinny's actually nasty at golf. Is he here?
Vinny really thinks he's good at
my God.
golf. And same with John. They're both horrible.
No.
Like I went to the range with John. Bro, he is so bad. Literally, someone came up to us, like one of the workers, and he was like, hey, could you not slam your club on our board? I was like, yo, that's wild. This guy's getting in trouble.
Going on right now. It's fantastic.
Like, you would think that instead of a club, it was a shovel with how much he was digging up the floor.
That's a crazy one right there. That's actually nuts. No, I'm like decent at golf. My first ever season in golf, just because I had so many rounds, I scored 85. Was it 85? Or was it 82? No, it was 82.
Yeah, but what was the course par?
72. And it was on a hard course too. But I also literally had 78 rounds just that season. I literally was going like every single day. But Vinny's nasty. Vinny averages like in the mid 80s. Or like mid 70s or like something. Yo, Vinny, is he here? Vinny, what's your
You went
handicap?
for a walk.
No, sorry, I got a word call. My handicap is 6.5.
Yeah, that's insane.
Yeah,
So
well,
mid to high
I'm also,
70s, the
also
average.
like I don't spend money on stuff, but I have like like $2,800 clubs. Like that's like the
How long have
one
you been golfing,
price.
though?
I've been
It's
golfing
been a
for like
while,
10 years. Yeah, about 10 years
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, I've been golfing for like 2. So, you know?
Do you remember JR, Vinny?
Yeah, the dude who has the
and he was a freaking professional golfer. That's wild.
I do remember that.
He went
Dude,
to school for golf. Like
I
guy
know
got
that's
sponsorships for golf.
I know that's crazy that
actually
he
crazy.
got a scholarship for golf, but I honestly still think the craziest member we had is Ferda, Nick, because his film quality is so insane. Like he's like so talented.
Yeah. I mean, that was like full development too. Like we've had insane people in here. Like we had NFL people in here. Do you
We
remember?
did. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Two of them, I think.
Yeah.
King Caps, I caddied for a PGA guy. You know, it's actually crazy. My first season, when I was golfing, it was maybe like halfway through the season. I get to the course, right? And like we were members there, and I was with my brother. And then the course, what's his name? The course pro came up to us and he was like, you guys are gonna be paired with a pro and his coach today. And I was like, what? And he was like, yeah. And we met him. And then I looked him up and he literally has a PGA card. Like he was like actually playing to like get into a tournament. He
Yeah,
was nasty.
Ginger. That's why they're called the pro. That's at almost every golf store in the country.
No, not the pro at the place. It was like a pro that came in from somewhere else because there was a tournament, and then he got paired with us.
Oh, do you want to get kissed?
Like he was in the PGA, like live.
I feel you want to get kissed?
No, not necessarily.
Yo, another hot take. Crazy hot
Ooh,
take.
you're-
I think powerlifting is overrated.
It is.
Super overrated. Like I think powerlifting is completely pointless. Like I think
I
you're
wouldn't
just
go back.
frying. I think you're frying your central nervous system for no reason, and you're not building anything productive.
They fry their CNS if they're speds and don't use a program, because a lot of actual real powerlifters will like do a conjugator or like to a point where like they have to recover. Do you know what I mean? Like even a deload.
Yeah. No, I agree.
But a lot of
100%.
people don't integrate that. It's like the
90%
it's like
of them.
traders. People calling themselves traders but never receive the payout.
Yeah. John, anybody play volleyball in chat? I had a girlfriend who was a D1 volleyball player, and she was bipolar and a psychopath, but she was cool.
Do we have the same ex? That's crazy.
Yeah.
We have the same. You know, you want to know something wild? One of my exes, we broke up, and then tried to serve me papers. Never went through, but she worked for the government, so she was able to grab grants and all of that. She ended up having a kid, getting married, literally like 6 months after. So that means she was pregnant while she was trying to do that to me,
With not your kid.
and she got diagnosed with being bipolar. Yeah, not my kid.
I understand.
Bro, being bipolar is very tough.
Yeah. Sucks to suck. I'm
Damn,
just joking.
Royal, you got dislocated discs.
I've been going to the gym for a while, but I have been
crazy.
hesitating to deadlift or squat lift given my dislocated disc in my lower lumbar. Should I do it? And if so, what can I do to prevent injury?
You guys should do like a podcast type interview for premium members who get at least 5 consistent payouts. Sure, dude. If you get 5 consistent payouts, I will personally interview you, or Ace will. I don't know. I don't know. And then
That
like
live
five-
would be dope on stage. Live interview.
but consistent. I'm talking like same account back to back to back. Like I'm not talking about
You open it?
spotty account payouts.
Why are the back ones open? I understand. I understand. I understand.
End of every session, you should pull someone up. Okay, watch this.
Sorry, I had to switch to the PC.
I'm watching.
You guys were expecting something, weren't you?
What's going on?
Wow.
Yeah, that's rage bait.
End of every session, you should pull
Okay,
somebody
thank
up.
you for bringing me up. And I'm just here to say, if you guys are going to use any prop, make sure to use code PHUB. Code PHUB will get you paid. Will get
Damn,
you
what
your
happened to
payouts
his
as long as you
He got
stick to your
muted, he got
rules.
muted,
Cut
Not
out,
financial
cut out.
advice.
Oh,
Thank
he's
you so
back.
much.
That's
Okay, take
crazy.
He got muted.
He
Fuck,
said,
the voice
"Fuck,
is
the
back."
voice is back." Has anybody gotten consistent payouts like in here? Like-
Yeah. Me.
Yeah, like there's not.
Does Rams have a cooked voice? And like we just never noticed. Like I said, bro needs to do voiceovers.
No, Rams has a very nice voice. Yeah.
Guys, Rams went to Japan and got me this.
Dude, that's so cool. What is
Yeah,
that?
he got
Is
me
that a
this from
fidget toy?
Japan. Look at that.
What did I
Gold
get from
bar.
Japan? What the
Haha.
hell, dude?
He didn't give you anything? What a bad
No.
friend. That's a bad friend, to be honest.
Legitimately, Vinny, I actually have one for you.
Do you really?
Yeah,
Yo,
I
he's
do.
just giving you his.
No,
He's giving you his.
no.
He didn't think of you.
I
He's
did.
just called out right now, so he's giving you something.
Bro,
I'll send you it later today. I'll post it in
Oh,
the
thank you.
Discord for everyone to see.
Thank you.
Yeah,
He
good
literally,
luck for
he
you
literally
because of Kara.
dreams about me, Ace. Like, there's no way
I
he
know.
didn't think about me in Japan.
I heard that gay call between you guys.
Wait, oh yeah, he did have a dream about you. Forgot about that.
Is there anybody in here that can verifiably say that they have gotten consistent payouts? Like anybody in the chat? Like it's just
Choose
like,
me, choose me, choose me.
Not Ace. Ace, you just did a whole podcast the other day. It would be cool to interview somebody like in our server that has consistent pay. Nobody has consistent. You guys suck.
That's why they're here.
Nah,
Look, this is
you-
Vinny right now. This is Vinny. No one's received payouts. That's his brain.
I get playouts and blow them out. They're working on to fix that. That's fine. That's exactly why we're here. Okay, we don't suck that much.
For real.
Just rage bait the entire chat.
Bro, I am starving.
Bro, you suck. Brr, ace score.
Yo, Vinny, do you want to order me food?
What do you want?
Wait.
Wait. No. Wait a second.
Yo,
Wait a
Vinny,
second.
I'm gonna invite you to the baby shower, and you better be there.
When is it?
It's in May.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I think I can come as long as it doesn't.
Yo, who wants the
overlap.
registry? Can you guys buy out my registry before we even have the party?
Yeah. Yes.
Just jokes. I don't even want you guys to buy anything off my registry. All I want is for you guys to go over to Prophub Trading. Whoa! Yo! All right, finish that sentence because I can't speak no more. I'm on timeout.
What? I don't even know what you were gonna say.
Basically, go to the Linktree Prophub Trading. If you go to the Linktree Prophub Trading, you can scroll down. You can do one of two things. You can use our codes at any prop firm if you want. You can get a discount on our Discord. No, you can't because that's not there. But we do have a quarterly charity down at the bottom for sick kids. It's still running right now. I've donated, Ace donated, JJ donated. We have done $1,300 out of $25,000. You guys aren't very charitable. Spend all this money on prop firm accounts and then nothing on the sick kids. I understand. We will be donating it directly to the sick kids through GoFundMe, which I think is already verified. I don't really know how we would. We're stealing the money and placing it towards Chipotle for 1 year. Know how many Pampers and wipes you'll buy? Yeah, well, sick kids, man. $1,300 worth of stuff so far. We do like helping people, and that is one of our missions here at Prophub Incorporated.
Wait, but is that comment for the charity or is that comment for Ace? Yeah, you.
Oh,
bummed
for
up.
Ace. For Ace. Oh, I thought it was
Yeah,
for
bro,
the
sick kids, they
dude.
need a lot of diapers. Like what?
The sick kids. You never know, bro.
I mean, yeah, some of them need diapers, but like, you know what I mean?
Bro, you have no idea how many Pampers and wipes you'll buy for Ace.
Not for you. That
Yeah, poor Ace. Poor Ace, bro. Imagine, bro.
I'm so confused. What is going on?
Bro, should we like wait, you're inviting me to the baby shower? I do gotta come there. Oh my days. As long
Yeah,
as
but
it
I'm
doesn't
inviting you to
overlap with
everything.
my graduation, I will be there. That's the only thing that
When's your grad?
I don't know.
Want me to come?
Yeah, you guys can come. Well,
Well,
I
I'm
can't even
banned.
get back into the States.
Oh, yeah, you literally can't come.
Well, I'm banned. That was a trick question for you, actually. Also, if you guys took that option trade, we are green right now. And I also put it on the screen for anyone who is still watching my screen. When I entered on Qs, you guys could have entered on NQ, which I did place on the screen, which could drag up stop now, but that is up 28 points. First PT is approaching at that 640. So 630 to 640 is first takes. But man, nice trade. Good job,
So
Ace.
May 15th through
Good
the
one, good one.
18th is my graduation commencement ceremonies. So when's your baby shower?
JJ's
I
officially
think it's
Unc JJ,
literally
no
the
cap.
exact same day.
Nice.
I'm Unc now. You turned me into an Unc.
Oh, is that why you touched me just like my real one?
Yo, I'm gonna get absolutely blitzed at Ace's wedding though.
Ace core.
Dude, I'm just gonna get so drunk. I'm gonna have Ace carry me out of his own wedding. Just to be an absolute liability. Ruin the entire night. No, I'm gonna have Danny carry me out of the wedding.
Congrats. Thank you.
I'm gonna have Euro carry me out of the wedding.
Thank you, NFL on YouTube, for the congrats. I'm excited to be a girl dad.
Wait, I get to see Danny and his wife at your wedding? Yeah, dude,
My
this is
wife
I have
keeps
to be there.
asking when the wedding is. She's super excited to come. I know she even DM'd me. I'm excited to see her too, Danny.
Dude,
Do
that's
you
super
want to
cool. I
like
get to meet you guys.
come to the office with JJ and Rams, and I'll show Alex around? Just joking, just joking.
You've got to be skidding me.
If anything, we're gonna go to the gym together. That's what we're gonna be doing, Euro.
P-Hub premium members invited to the wedding?
No.
That's kind of wild.
No, I don't think I trust one of you.
No, but it will be live streamed.
No, it won't. Don't promise that. No, it won't.
Wait, you know you should stream your honeymoon.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Stream
Oh yeah,
your
that's
honeymoon.
what I want.
Yeah.
WW
But like it has to be a
just
live 24/7 cam, like in the room,
yeah, OnlyFans prop up.
but from within the toilet.
What the?
This is coming back down, and that is stopped.
You can
guys.
catch the wedding on twitch.tv/Prophub trading.
29 points. I think it's still good if it can reclaim. We'll see.
Reclaim 600. What time is it?
Time to go. Guys, make sure to use code PHUB if you guys open up any props. We are going to do the futures breakdown. John is going to leave, and then I will probably head home early today because I feel like sharp bucket. That means Ram has to stay and film content.
Film the content. Haha.
Feel better soon. Get some rest. Thank
for
you.
real. Hurry up and stop being sick.
JJ are
Bro, I
filming
stopped.
content later.
Wait, is that it?
Wrap it up.
Oh, wrap it up. Guys, make sure if you're gonna buy any props, make sure if you're gonna use any props, Use code PHUB. We also got the charity. Just click the link that production sent, and you'll be able to see all the links, all the stuff. Pretty fire. Make sure premium guys be in the premium chat when we ping you for the daily breakdown, which is gonna be basically right away, if not within 20 minutes. And that is it. Ace, you got anything left?
No.
No. Vinny, do you have anything? Anything whatsoever, Vinny?
Guys, can you
Anything
believe
at
we
all?
finished in 3 minutes and we still stayed an hour and a half for you guys?
For real. Vinny, do you have anything to say? I guess that's a no. Bye.